Alright everyone, starting with Om breathing. Let's breathe in deep. As you inhale longer, you're going to exhale with the sound of Om. Let's start. Breathe in and exhale. Om. One more time. Breathe in. Exhale. Om. And one more time. Deep breath in. Om. Let's start with the tippy toes warm up. So on your toes, on front end of your mat, and let's start walking like ballerinas. Stretch your toes, engage your calf muscle higher as you're trying to reach the sky. Look forward, don't look down, you don't need to look towards your feet. And stop. Let's walk on our heels like penguins. On your heels, lift your toes up, walking from one end to the other end. Perfect. Alright, let's start by planting your foot on the mat, one foot on the mat, strong like a tree, and then slowly bring your other foot all the way up on your inner thigh. Okay, you're going to place your one foot on your inner thigh, and you can choose to bring your hands either in your heart center. After you're done dancing, you can either bring your hands in your heart center or above your head. And if you want to challenge yourself, maybe you want to try to close your eyes, but that's optional. Okay, slowly bring your hand and your leg down and kick your leg, shake it out. Let's switch side, other foot. Remember, you're strong like a tree, so you have to plant your foot strong on the mat. You can open, stretch your toes, slowly drag your foot all the way up in your inner thigh. Okay, you can bring both your hands either on your knees, back straight, hands on your heart center or above your head. Okay. Yes, that's beautiful, Anisha. Okay, good job, Arusha. You close your eyes. Beautiful. Slowly bring your hands and your leg down. And now, guys, can you turn around? Okay, we are going to do tree one more time quickly with this time with reverse prayer. So you have to bring your hands in the prayer pose behind your back. And then you have to lift your one leg. This could be a little bit challenging. Anisha, I cannot see your hands, so can you, yes, turn your back. Yes, beautiful. Good help you there. I'm going to just simply bring your hands. Yes. Perfect. Are you balanced? Make sure your foot is not against your knee. Anyone need any help? No? Good job. Alright, can we hold it for a few seconds? Almost there, almost there. Perfect. And we are going to change the side, other leg. Your hands stay there, join your hands, press the base of your hands against each other. Take your time, it's okay. These are balancing poses. And then you can slowly bring your leg and your hands down. Perfect, beautiful. Let's start with the sun salutation. So you can come on the front end of your mat. Everyone towards the sun. Okay? So with your hands stretched outside your legs, fingers wide spread. Like this. Inhale here. Exhale. Hands to the heart center prayer pose. Inhale, reach your arms. Exhale, fold forward. And rest your hands outside your feet. As you inhale, take your right leg back. Hold your breath, taking your left foot back. Beautiful high plank. Exhale, drop your knees, chest and chin on the mat. Lift your hip up. This is 8-point salutation. Inhale, glide forward in the cobra. Exhale, lift your hip up. Press your heels down on the mat. Bring your head between your hands. Beautiful inverted V mountain pose. Inhale, right foot between your legs. Right foot between your legs. Exhale, left foot between your legs. Drop your head, lift your hip. Inhale, reach your arms all the way up. Exhale, hands to the heart center. Inhale, release. Let's prepare to switch side. A little bit faster maybe. Inhale, hands outside. Exhale, join your hands in the heart center. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold. toes out. Exhale, tuck your toes. Inverted V or mountain. Inhale, left foot between your hands. Exhale, right foot between your hands. Drop your head all the way down. Inhale, reach your arms all the way up towards the sky. Maybe go for slight back bend. Devika. Inhale, join your hands. Exhale, release. Ready?
Yes.
Alright guys, match up with your partner. We are doing few partner poses. Back to back with your partner. Okay, you don't have to touch your partner, you can separate a little bit. Open your feet about hip width apart. Good job. And now you're going to, whichever partner has toy, you're going to reach up like an upward bend and pass the toy to your friend, to your partner. Exhale, fold and reach for the toy from in between your feet. Inhale up, faster. Come on, faster. Good job. And stop wherever you are. Now you pass the toy to your partner. Let your partner start now. Pass the toy to your partner and we are going to change the direction. So the other partner is going to reach from the top and you're going to reach it from the bottom, okay? Whichever direction you were doing it, now you're going to change the direction. Yes, back to back. Beautiful. Faster, faster, faster. Bring some energy, honey. Smile. Good job. Beautiful. Alright, now you can throw your toys in the basket here. Oh, that was not a good throw, in the basket. Alright, now you can... Alright, now we are going to fold forward and lift up. So when you fold forward, you're going to exhale. When you're going to come up, you're going to inhale. Imagine that your backs are glued to each other. Push her up. Inhale up. And now Anisha, you're going to push her up. Inhale. Very good. Now you have option to extend your hands in front of you. Arusha, extend your hands in front of you. Or you can take support of the mat. Alternatively, you can also try holding, like tucking your elbows with your partner. Maybe you want to try that, Diya? Can you show if that works good or not? Tuck your elbows like this. Yes. And tell me, how is that? Is that deeper stretch? Otherwise, you can extend your hands outside like Anvi and Gauri are doing here. Faster, 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 faster. Good job. Look at you go. Very good. And stop. Turn around, face your partner. Okay, we are going to do boat pose, partner boat pose. Remember, so you bend your knees.
Oh, this is my favorite aisle.
Yes, this is your favorite. Yes, there can be so many favorite poses. So bend your knees. Come closer to your partner. Okay, now you need to listen. Just like you listen to your body, you have to be good with your partner also, okay? Have some teamwork here. Hold your hands outside your legs. Hold your hands really strong because you depend on your partner for a good support. What? That's okay. You can try to, that's because of height difference. That's okay. Yes, that's good job. So slowly land. Bring your one foot at a time. Yes, good job. Devi, Anvi and Arisha. Beautiful. Why did you drag all the way towards the end of your mat? Come in the center. A little bit in the center. Perfect. You can bring down your legs. Good job. Back straight. Straighten your back as much as you can. And one leg at a time. Beautiful, guys. Now we are going to do the Samudra Manthan part. Remember that? So you're going to open your legs facing your partner. Open your legs really wide apart. Base of your feet, soles of your feet towards each other. Yes. And now you need to hold your hands. Okay, straighten your legs as much as you can. And you inhale, lift up, exhale, fold forward. Look at Devika. Beautiful. Yes. Can you guys do it a little bit faster than this? Perfect. How are you feeling? Where do you feel the stretch in your body?
Over here.
Over here? On your inner thighs?
Yeah.
And your hamstrings? Do you know where your hamstrings are?
Yes.
Where? Oh, it's under your thighs. How are you guys doing?
We're doing good.
Are you tired?
No, she is.
She is? Okay. Alright. How about you?
We're amazing.
You're amazing. Yes, you are. Alright, let's go for the wide angle boat pose. So you're going to hold on to your big toes, bend your knees and then lift your legs straight. If you cannot hold on to your toes, you can hold on to your ankles or you can support yourself. Yes. Try to keep your back straight. Balance yourself between your hip bones and your tailbones. Good job. Look at you guys. Now if you want, you can add rocking motion to it with your legs really wide apart, but it's difficult to come back up, so let's see how you guys do. Rock on your back. Very good. Moving on to the camel pose. Starting from hero's pose or Vajrasan. Touch your toes. Let your heels play out so that you can rest your hips on your heels, on your feet. Keep your knees together a little bit. Okay, now we are going to stand in the kneeling position. Separate your knees a little bit. And as you inhale, you are going to reach your hand on your ankles. Okay? So, Dia, if you do not want to drop your head, you can skip that part. If you feel dizzy, you can avoid dropping your head all the way back. But try to lift your chest higher. Lift your chest higher. Squeeze your shoulder blades behind you. Devika, if you want, you can turn around. Yes, okay, that's perfect. Beautiful. Slowly come back out. Moving on to the child's pose for a quick counter stretch on your lower back. Resting your head on your hands, or you can extend your hands in front of you. Bring your hips down, all the way down towards the mat. Perfect. All right. Bring your hands under your shoulder. Inhale, come to the seated position in the tabletop. Bring your knees under your hips, shoulders under your wrists. Shoulders on top of your wrist, sorry, my bad. Let's start with a cat and cow stretch. So you're starting on the flat back. As you inhale, tilt your pelvis forward, open your hip muscles, lengthen your neck and look up towards the sky. Inhale up. Exhale, round your back. Round your back, really round it like a cat. Inhale, look up, cow. You can do your moo and meow together if you want. Inhale, cow, exhale, cat, meow. Round your back as much as you can. Tuck your tailbone between your legs and your chin in the chest. Alright, we are starting on our high planks and we are doing our instead of shoulder taps, we are going to do claps. So you are going to clap with your right hand first. Come on guys, let's do it faster. Left hand clap, right, left. Keep breathing, do not hold your breath. Faster, 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 faster. Lots of energy here. Beautiful. Alright, now you can come back and we are going to do side plank on your spot, on your mat. Side plank. You're going to face me. Bring your one hand under your shoulder. Straighten both your legs. If you need support, you are going to lift your upper arm. Yes, you can do that. That's beautiful. Or you can lift your leg up for a fallen star, like Gauri. Or you can bring your knee on top of you can bring your top foot on top of your knee. Beautiful. Try to hold your plank. Support your leg like Diya. Yes. If you need support, you can bring your top foot in the front or you can drop your bottom knee on the mat. That's okay too. Very good. Faster, faster. Let's switch side on the high plank. On the side plank. Pick your own option, whichever option you want. You can support your leg or you can come for the fallen star. Very good. Beautiful side plank, strong here. And okay, let's bend our knees. Bring your feet closer to your hips. Your hand outside your hips on the mat. Prepare for Chakrasan or Setu Bandhasan. So you can pop up either on the wheel pose or you can just lift your pelvis up for the bridge pose. Rest your head down. So down where you can do bridge pose. Lift your hip up. Beautiful. With each inhale, try to lift your pelvis towards the ceiling. And then slowly come back down. Hug your knees. Really slowly take your time. And rock about 5 to 10 times. Round your back. Touch your nose towards your knees. And rock yourself to the seated position. In Sukhasana or Padmasana. With both your hands on your knees in Chin Mudra. We love yoga!
Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Bye, friends. See you later. Namaste.